Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Bino Beats, and for those of you new to my channel, I'm a Billboard producer and guitarist from Toronto, Canada, and I produce for artists like Rod Wave, Polo G, NBA Youngboy, and Scory. On this channel, I'll show you guys how to make emotional guitar melodies and beats 100% from scratch. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to check out my videos and subscribe. Today we're going to be cooking up a Rod Wave beat 100% from scratch. I'm going for something like Leavin', his last single that he just dropped. To get that same vibe, it's kind of a mix of guitar, piano, and a vocal sample throughout, and it's going to have some hard-hitting drums as well. I'll start with doing the melody, and then I'll get into adding the drums. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I started off with was finding a vocal sample. I picked this song called Home by Gabrielle Aplin. I used a vocal remover to extract the vocals from the song, and then all I did is just add this ROM reverb from Guitar Rig, and then a bit of an EQ to cut out the highs and lows. I also pitched it up 2 semitones just to give it more of that high-pitched Rod Wave sound. So here's what that sounds like.
'Cause they say home is where your heart is headed. Stay is where you go when you're alone. Is where you go to rest your bones.
I then went into the keyscape and got the cinematic preset and then turned the color shift down even a little bit more just to make it a bit darker of a sound.
Home is where your heart is headed. Stay is where you go when you're alone. Is where you go to rest your bones.
That's a 4-1-5-6-5-4-1-5 chord progression. And you hear this kind of descending pattern from the 6 to the 5 to the 4 as a bit of a transition between certain parts of the loop and a lot of Rod Wave and Toosii loops. So I'm just playing that.
When you're alone is where you go to rest your bones.
And then layered that with the pillowy pad piano from Omnisphere. And actually turned off the LA Custom C7 piano from this preset, so it's just playing this kind of pad in the background. Lastly, I layered it with the LA Custom Chorus Rhodes from Keyscape. I then added this simple guitar, and all the guitar is doing on acoustic is playing the root note and then the major minor third of each chord in a simple pattern. So here's what that sounds like with everything so far. And I have this very soft and subtle acoustic arpeggio in the background that's just playing 2 notes. And since it's playing those 2 notes throughout the entire chord progression, it just creates a lot of tension. So here's what that sounds like with the actual first guitar. Then to really build out the loop, I started adding some guitar accents. So the first is this accent that's from my upcoming phrase kit called String Theory Elements. String Theory Elements is going to have a crazy amount of guitar phrases just like this one, everything from arpeggios to accents to leads. And really the purpose of that kit is even if you don't play the guitar, you'll be able to fully make a guitar loop 100% from scratch, just from all the phrases in the kit. But yeah, this particular accent is one I've been using in a lot of my loops. I kind of used a bit of a tremolo, almost twangy country guitar and panned one to the left and one to the right. And there's a kind of chorus effect on it, so it just sounds super wide and open, and it's really good accent. So I'll just play it by itself. I then added these reverse electric guitar accents from Elements as well. So here's what those sound like. Yeah, super simple. They just act as a nice transition between different chords in the progression. The last guitar element I add just for certain parts of the loop is this lead. Once again, both of these leads are from String Theory Elements. String Theory Elements is about to drop in the next month, and if you guys want to get early access to the kit, but also an exclusive discount when you get that, be sure to join my email list. The link will be in the description. The last thing I add is this kind of pedal steel texture throughout the entire loop. Just adds some nice ambience and makes the loop feel a bit more wavy. For bass, I'm actually taking a C7 grand piano and just playing it super low. And then I'm also layering that with an actual bass. And I'm just using a VST to do that. So here's what those sound like with the bass. All right, that pretty much does it for the loop. The last thing I did is I just kind of created this intro so that it actually starts off as just piano, and I'm playing this piano an octave higher. And then when the guitar first comes in, it's just kind of playing the chords, the first and the major minor third of each chord, but I'm actually kind of doing it picking with them. So the intro is kind of sounding like this.
Comfort will rest on my shoulder. Now bury my future behind. I'll always keep you with me. You'll be always on my mind. But that's shining in the shadows. No, never know unless I try. With every small disaster, I'll let the water steer. Take me away to someplace real. 'Cause they say
Hope you guys are rocking with the loop so far. It's a pretty crazy loop. Now, the one thing about a loop like this is because it's using a vocal sample, although it sounds really sick, it's actually hard to clear that sample if you were to place that song. If you want to get loops with a very, very similar vibe with crazy vocals in them, but the vocals are 100% royalty free, I suggest you check out my most recent loop kit that just dropped, String Theory Waves. Waves comes with 70 loops that are perfect for artists like Rod Wave and Toosii. Lots of crazy guitar, piano, and emotional stuff in these loops, and they're my best loops from the year. And the best part is any vocals in them are 100% royalty free. If you guys are interested in that loop kit, the link will be in the description, and you can preview a bunch of the loops from the kit. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going for drums very similar to Leavin' by Rod Wave. So I wanted a kind of similar bounce. And to do that, I definitely wanted a section of the beat that didn't have the 808 and just kind of the kick and snare and other elements of the drums coming in before the real drop. So when the bass comes in the loop, I first started off with this kick. Then out of the snare. When I'm playing the kick in certain areas, I'm actually playing this transition at the same time, which is a bit unique, but it just makes them kind of hit way harder. And especially since I don't have the 808 going, there's nothing for this kind of deep transition to really clash with. So I'll play just by itself now. Then I have this accent snare. I then added this one rim, which I also added a bit of reverb to. You can see I'm trying to use a lot of different sounds just to make the loop sound not super repetitive, but also a lot of the same sounds are playing at the same time, and that's totally okay, just makes certain parts of the beat hit a lot harder. I then added this open hi-hat that's just simply playing with certain parts of the kick in 808. I then add this reverb snap. Super subtle, but this is what it sounds like by itself. Lastly, I just add an additional snap as well. I also take an open hi-hat and reverse it at certain parts in the drum pattern. Here's what the drum pattern is sounding like so far. When the 808 comes in, I turn on a parametric EQ that's just taking out a lot of the low end in the loop. Here's what the drums sound like with the 808 pattern. And lastly, I'm bringing in these hi-hats to bring it all together. It's honestly a super simple and open hi-hat pattern and just playing a lot of the same parts of other elements of the drums, but it adds a little bit more bounce. All right, without further ado, I'll go back to where we left out on the loop and I'll then bring the drums in.
With every small disaster, I'll let the water steer. Take me away to some place real. 'Cause they say home is where your heart is at. Slow is where you go when you're alone. It's where you go to rest your bones. And it's not just where you lay your head. It's not just where you make your bed. Where we go.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comment section below what type of tutorials do you guys want to see next. Lastly, if you guys are looking to collaborate on beats or loops, be sure to join my Discord. The link will be in the bio or hit me up on my Instagram. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.